How big is the universe? The Earth floats alone in the universe, small as a speck of dust, because of the scale of the universe, vast beyond human imagination. Today we will start from the Earth. Let's go to the depths of the universe together, to explore unknown and mysterious places. The first stop is the Moon, 380,000 kilometers away from us. It's closest to Earth, and so far, the only extraterrestrial object that humans have stepped into in the long years. The Moon has withstood the impact of countless meteorites for the Earth. Therefore, its surface is covered with craters. And then we went to Mars. The average distance from Earth is about 220 million kilometers. This is a desert world covered in hematite. The whole planet is orange. It's covered with craters, canyons, dunes, and history. As of now, several rovers have landed on the surface of Mars. After leaving Mars, we have arrived at the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. There are more than 500,000 small celestial bodies here. The largest of these small celestial bodies are the ancient gods, God Star and God Star. And then we go into Jupiter. About 700 million kilometers from Earth, it is the largest planet in the solar system. It's 1,321 times the size of the Earth. And here's what's even scarier, Red Spot, the eye of storms on Jupiter's surface. It's a cyclone that's been raging for hundreds of years, big enough to swallow the entire Earth. See, we're 1.4 billion kilometers away from Saturn, the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Has a giant planetary ring system. The rings are mainly made of ice, rocky debris, and dust, shining brightly in the sun. Further out we come to Uranus. 2.87 billion kilometers from Earth. It is a mysterious and eerie ice giant. Unlike other planets, it's Uranus. The axis of rotation is tilted at an angle of up to 97.77 degrees. It can be said to lie almost on the orbital plane. It turns like a ball and rolls sideways. And then Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun in the known solar system. The average distance from the Sun is about 4.50 billion kilometers. Very little solar heat is gained here. Show the temperature at the top of Neptune's atmosphere. It's minus 218 degrees centigrade, far beyond the orbit of Neptune. We have entered the barren land of icy cosmic debris. This is the famous Kuiper Belt. It contains a large number of celestial bodies, including comets, asteroids, and dwarf planets. Pluto as we know it, one of the heavy stars in the Sun. Is this the edge of the solar system? Back in 1950, Dutch astronomer Jan Hendrikholt proposed the bold conjecture. He believes that the entire solar system are wrapped in a huge globular cloud. Oort cloud. It's about 2 light years across. Beyond the Oort cloud is an even greater expanse of interstellar space. Next stop, we have a point 2 light years away at Proxima Centauri. This is the nearest star to the Sun. It's a star system composed of 3 stars. It is also the hometown of the Remote Trisolaris. Next stop is Sirius. It's something that we can see with our naked eyes on Earth. The brightest star in the night sky, against a pitch-black cosmic backdrop, exuding dazzling light. Sirius is actually a binary system. Sirius is a blue-white main sequence star. Its companion star, Sirius B, is a white dwarf. The system's center of mass is only 8.6 light-years from Earth, just about 400 light-years away from Earth. We saw an open cluster of stars. This is the famous Uranium cluster, also known as the Seven Sisters. It contains more than 3,000 constants. It's 13 light-years across. Then, we've arrived at Kepler-2b, 638 light-years away. This super-Earth, hailed as the most habitable exoplanet by humans. This is the Orion Nebula. It is approximately 1,350 light-years from Earth. Orion is the most spectacular constellation in the winter sky. And the Orion Nebula, right in the middle of the Sword of Orion. This is a famous star-forming region. A lot of new stars are formed here. This is the Eagle Nebula, 6,500 light-years from Earth. As we go deeper into its interior, the beautiful pillars of creation are about to come into view. Several huge columnar structures, standing in the magnificent universe, quite indomitable. Inside the largest pillar, a star is being born. Farewell to the stunning pillars of creation. We've arrived 20,000 light-years from Earth. Stevenson 248. This is a red supergiant star. It is also the largest star known to man. Its radius is 2,158 times that of the Sun. enough to hold 10 billion suns. If you place it at the center of the solar system, its rim could even engulf Saturn's orbit. This is the edge of our galaxy. When we rush out of the galaxy without hesitation, you can go back and see what the entire galaxy looks like. Its diameter is 100,000 light years. The entire galaxy contains between 200 billion and 400 billion stars. The Sun is just one of them. Ordinary yellow dwarf. This is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way. Andromeda Galaxy. It's much bigger than the Milky Way. Contains at least 1 trillion stars. Let's fly out again. We will come to the edge of the local group of galaxies. Local group. It's actually a galaxy. 50 galaxies including Andromeda Galaxy. Small groups of galaxies. And every galaxy contains billions of stars. And the genealogical group. In fact, it is one part of the maiden supercluster. It contains at least 100 local galaxy groups. And above the maiden supercluster is a larger celestial structure, Laniakea supercluster. It's a huge feather-like structure. It contains at least 100,000 galaxies, Milky Way. Just a tiny speck of dust on a feather. The Laniakea supercluster. Just Pisces. The tip of the iceberg in the Cetus supercluster complex. It spans a terrifying 1 billion light years. Finally, we arrived at the terminus. The edge of the entire observable universe. Diameter 93 billion light years. It's a scale that has revolutionized human understanding. Even if we travel at a speed of 1 light year per second, I want to span the entire observable universe. It would also take about 2,950 years. But what's even scarier is, this is just the range that humans can observe at present. So what is beyond the observable universe? We don't know yet. We can't help but think here. Human civilization in the face of such a macroscopic universe seems so insignificant. Everything is just a passing passenger in the long river of the universe. And why fixate on so-called fame and fortune?